Hi guys, if you want to replace windshield wipers in Lexus UX, you won't be able to lift it up in a normal way. The hood is in the way. In this vehicle you will have to activate the wiper service mode. To enable the service mode, first you have to turn on the ignition in the vehicle, so press the power button twice. You will see the ignition on over there. Next you will actually have to turn it off. And now you'll have to push this windshield wiper lever up and hold. Shortly you will see that both wiper arms lift up, and now you can replace your wiper blades. While the vehicle is off, arms will always stay up, even if you accidentally push or pull the windshield wiper lever. Even when you turn on the power again, they will still stay up. But now, if you press, push it up or down, only now, when the power is on, windshield wiper arms will go down. That's the way to lower them. And as I said, be careful, because if the vehicle is on and you accidentally push or pull the lever, you may drop them if you don't have wipers in place. I'll show it one more time, but quickly. So first turn the vehicle on, 2 presses of the button, then turn it off, push it up, wiper arms are up. Now when you want to lower them, turn it twice again and simply push it up again. And that's pretty much it for this procedure. This will allow you to change your windshield wipers. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.